When your condominium or HOA board is evaluating a management company, you're really choosing a strategic partner who will help you guide your community's future. The evaluation process should reflect this importance. Think about how top consulting firms select their consultants. They don't just review credentials or listen to prepared speeches. They present real scenarios and evaluate how candidates think through complex problems. Your board can use this same approach, and I advocate that you use this same approach. Instead of focusing on standard presentation or industry credentials, give management companies specific scenarios from your community. Here's how to do it effectively. First, prepare a few structured scenarios based on real challenges your community faces. Maybe it's a pattern of maintenance issues, communication breakdowns, or financial planning needs. Present these situations and watch how the management company responds. Do they ask thoughtful questions to understand the full scope of the issue? Are they thinking about both immediate solutions and long-term prevention? When I take over communities as a new manager, before starting my own firm, I saw a pattern repeated again and again. And now that I have my own business with my own shingle and speak with communities regularly who are managed by others, the pattern isn't just continuing, it's amplifying. The most successful transitions happen when boards and management companies align their understanding of challenges and approaches from the start. Let me share with you what really matters when you're choosing a management company. First, look at how they approach problem solving and priority setting. How do they help boards establish clear priorities and create actionable systems? What structure do they provide for tracking and completing tasks? The key isn't just handling issues as they arise. It's building a foundation that prevents chaos in the first place. Second, examine their operational support structure. When your community manager faces a surge in demands or takes a vacation, what happens? You don't want to hear about basic buddy systems where your tasks get dumped on another overworked manager. Ask specifically about their structural approach to workload distribution. How do they ensure emails get answered, maintenance requests stay on track, and resident needs are met during high demand periods? The answer should involve systematic load balancing, not just emergency coverage. Third, dive into their management philosophy and daily operations. How user-friendly are they for boards and residents? What tools and systems do they provide for routine tasks like maintenance requests, payments, and communications? Ask them to walk you through their approach to basic blocking and tackling of property management, the daily tasks that make or break a community's functionality. Here's what you can do today. Prepare specific scenarios across key areas of your community. And examples would be legal, operational, financial. How do they manage vendors? Maybe some operational challenges, maybe a large capital improvement project. These kinds of things. It's specific to your community. So I want you to give that some thought and come up with specific issues that you're confronted with. Let them address those things or make up the issues. You can do that too. There's nothing requiring you to stick to your community. Just the idea is to probe and get their answers to how they think. And don't just listen to their answers. Pry a little bit more. Ask questions. Tell me more. Tell me more. Well, that's interesting. What about this additional set of facts? Have you considered that? You get it? So be thinking about like you're in a consulting interview and you are asking someone to address real world action that's going on around them. How do they react? Okay? Now you're going to get an idea of who you're talking to. You're taking the structured approach of interviewing management companies and you're making it more of a dynamic situation. You're going to get a much better answer from your people who you're talking to. A good management company is going to ask about background information. They need to fully understand the situation a little bit better probably than you've explained it. What attempts have already been made to address the issue? What constraints do you have? Budget, timing, reference, resident preferences. Things they need to consider maybe you haven't disclosed. How does the board define success for this particular challenge? If you found this perspective valuable, I invite you to connect with us. For our Instagram viewers, hit follow and feel free to DM us with your questions or community challenges. YouTube viewers, subscribe to our channel and check out the video description for links to our website where you'll find our published works on community management, board excellence, and our unique management philosophy. Whether you're dealing with the challenges we discussed today or other community issues, we're here to help. Visit our website to discover our thought leadership content, books, and resources that can transform your community management approach. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.